Hey guys, got another video for today, and it's just a quick one showing you how to do a config file in Battlefield 5. So, from my understanding, there's a lot of new players in Battlefield 5 in a minute, and a lot of players might not know that you can do this in this game. You can get your FPS in the top right corner. You can unlock your FPS so it's not capped to your monitor's refresh rate. You can get a nice FPS boost also. So here's how you do it. So on the desktop, and you want to go to wherever you've installed Battlefield 5 on your PC. So that you can go to the shortcut here, go open file location, boom, here we go, and this is where we do it. You can see I've already got this is my user config file here. So basically what you want to do is just right click, new text document, boom, like that, and then you open it like that, like so, and I've just got this config file here, right? So there's two different config files. This is the one I use right here. I'll leave all these in the description so you can just copy paste straight into your config or whatever. This is one I use, and this one here is if you get a nice FPS boost. But there's a few things to mention, so we'll just go through this one. You've got the window height, so you can set your monitor's resolution. So if you're 1080p, 1920, 1080. If you record clips, say in like GeForce Experience and stuff like that, sometimes for some reason it doesn't record in your native resolution. It records at like 720p or something like that. So when you put this in as your native resolution, your clips and your videos will be at your native resolution. So that's also another good thing about it. This one here gets your FPS in the top right corner. These two right here. Sorry, these two. If you're like 1080p, you might want to drop that to 2 or 3. It depends. Just boot the game up if you want to do that, and just see if you like the scale. The higher the number, the bigger the number. If you see what I mean. GameTime.MaxVariableFps, that unlocks your FPS. So as soon as you boot the game, it'll be going up to like 300, whatever, past your monitor's refresh rate. And that's what I use. Now, there is another config file which does give you an FPS boost, and it disables the anti-aliasing in Battlefield 5, but it only works in DX11. It won't work in DX12, just to let you know. And also, to get it to work, you have to set the in-game motion blur to 1%. So just let you know. So it's basically exactly the same as this config, but you just add this at the bottom. WorldRender.LightTileCsPathEnable when you turn it off. And then you should get a nice FPS boost. And to quickly mention, it will sort of alter the visual style of this game. Just to mention it, some people don't like it, some people do, just to let you know. So, how do you make a config file, right? So you, say if you want this one, copy, boom, yeah, paste like that, save as, or files you go to, and then all you type is user.cfg, like that, save. Obviously I've done it before, so I don't need to do it again, but you save, like that, and then if you've done it right because it will say user CFG file, like that. That's when you've done it right. Yeah, and you get FPS in the corner, unlocked FPS, a slight FPS boost if you want to. That's it, just a short video today, so thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. See you boys in the next one.